Hello, friends! Welcome to Phonics Teach. Today, we're going to learn some exciting full blend words. When F and L come together, they make the sound full. Let's say it together. Full, full, full. Let's read some full words together. Full, ag, flag, flag. The flag is red. Full, I, fly, fly. Birds can fly. Full, at, flat, flat. The table is flat. Full, app, flap, flap. Birds flap their wings. Full, E, flee, flee. The rabbit will flee. Full, ip, flip, flip. Flip the page. Full, a, k, flock, flock. A flock of birds flies. Full, o, t, float, float. The boat can float. Full, a, sh, flash, flash. The camera will flash. Full, ow, flower, flower. The flower is pink. Let's repeat all the full blend words together. Flag, fly, flat, flap, flee, flip, flock, float, flash, and flower. Amazing reading. Keep practicing every day. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Phonics Teach. Bye-bye, friends.